The concept of the string bridge came up when the new light rail for Jerusalem was planned. And there is a constant clash of interests between traffic into the city and traffic round the corner. It could have been done with a very simple mechanical bridge that took the traffic round the corner. The decision was made to take a work of art, a bridge designed by Santiago Calatrava, and we have as a result an incredible piece of architecture which is also a very functional part of our urban landscape. We want to characterize the entrance with modern architecture, and then as we go along the axis of Jaffa Road, we travel back in time to the older historic buildings.
The architect spoke about the bridge reminding him of the Harp of David, for instance, and I think it's very appropriate for Jerusalem to have something which also reflects its very rich history. And in that respect, I think it is a very great contribution to the city of Jerusalem.
The bridge has some historical engineering, because the tension of how it's working. I mean, everybody who's come to Jerusalem see the bridge and not quite understand how it's working. I mean, why the bridge is not falling down. And there is some trick with the tension of the cables, that it is in one side and not in the two sides of the bridge. So in this point of engineering work, it's very interesting bridge.
It's like a giant standing astride all this traffic mess. The thing that really characterizes this bridge is that no one is indifferent to it. Many people love it, some people hate it, but no one is indifferent to it. It's made its mark, it's become part of Jerusalem, and it's a new part of Jerusalem which is trying to do its best to show respect to the past that we are firmly rooted in, but also take us forward into a new century of modern infrastructure and transport.